Need to top up your PayPal balance quickly? Let's dive right in and get that money moving. First things first, open up your PayPal app. You should see your current balance displayed right on the home screen. Now, tap on the wallet icon. It's generally at the bottom of the screen. This is where you manage all your payment methods. On the wallet screen, look for an option that says Add Money. Tap on that. It's usually pretty visible. You'll now see options for where you can transfer funds from. Select the bank account you want to use. Make sure it's already linked to your PayPal. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer to your PayPal account. Double-check that it's the correct amount. Review all the details on the confirmation screen. Make sure everything is correct, and then tap the Add button to finalize the transfer. And that's it. You'll see a confirmation message, and your funds should be available in your PayPal account within a few business days, depending on your bank. Now you're ready to shop, send money, or do whatever you need to do with your PayPal balance.